ChainOpera AI stands out as an innovative platform that combines blockchain and artificial intelligence. The system allows users to create, share, and monetize AI agents in a decentralized structure. Its core infrastructure is built on a Layer 1 blockchain optimized for developing and managing AI agents, and it features a proprietary operating system called Federated AI OS. This enables developers to share GPU resources and use AI software development kits, SDKs, to create various projects. The COAI token plays a crucial role within the ChainOpera ecosystem. Users can access services on the platform, earn contribution rewards by providing data or computing power, and participate in governance processes using the token. In other words, the token is not just a means of payment, but also a tool that grants community members voting rights. One of the most striking aspects of the platform is its fully decentralized support for creating AI agents. Users can develop personal assistants, trading bots, or content generators, while data providers and GPU owners can contribute to the system and earn revenue. This model integrates the security and transparency of blockchain with AI applications, allowing users to both innovate and profit from their contributions. COAI's market performance has seen a significant increase recently, but investors should exercise caution as rapidly growing projects also carry high risks. ChainOpera AI stands out as an interesting experiment at the intersection of blockchain and AI, with user experience and revenue sharing models distinguishing it from other AI projects.